Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a Forbes must-try AI tool for 2025, AI Carousels. Now, it helps you create professional LinkedIn and Instagram carousel posts even without the help of design skills, all done with AI. Now, you can start with a free account to simply get a feel for the app. So, once you enter the website, you'll be hosted into this homepage where all you have to click is this create carousel. Now, we'll go through all the other features as this is a step-by-step video, but simply click create carousel to get started. Now, many of the features are locked in the pro account, but you get a few free features to start with, and you're still able to download any of the carousel posts for you to use. Now, upon opening, you are able to select a customized template if you want to. And you can pick a platform format right here in the top left corner. You can either do a LinkedIn post, an Instagram feed, a TikTok post, a video, or PowerPoint. And it also lists the appropriate aspect ratios. Now let's try, let's say, a LinkedIn post. And let's pick, let's say, this template. Great. Now, AI Carousel allows you to generate the content just by either typing a topic, typing a text, pasting a URL of a website as a reference, pasting a URL of a video or a transcript of video, or uploading a PDF. Now, these four have been locked in the Pro account, but just to show you the power of what is available in the free, we can generate the content of the carousel. The AI will generate all the content just by typing a topic. So let's try something like, let's say, a dog show. It's gonna, let's give it a few moments, a few seconds. There it is. Now, all the content, all the text is all about the dog show. So really, it saves so much time because it generates everything by itself. And in this uh, left-hand side, you can, really choose the color palette that you want, the design. You can pick that. You can pick that. Let's go with the dark for now. You can change background effects. You can turn it off or on, and you can pick from a wide array of available templates. Now, most of them are locked in the Pro, but let's go with a simple one. Now, the purple color is just a template, and you can choose the background color based on your color palette. You can see here, you can pick a background, a text color, an accent color, and you can alternate the colors between the slides. And from there, you can also, for the icons, you can pick square corners or round corners. You can make them fill their outline. And if you're a creator, you can input your creator info. So if you're, let's say, a solo creator or entire business, you could input your logos, your websites, your personal information, your name, or even your header, or you can even generate a headshot to be placed in the starting image of your carousel. Now, within each carousel image, you can navigate it by clicking or clicking these arrows. You can insert the text. So each standard carousel page will come with a tagline, a title, and a paragraph. You can turn these off, but these are automatically placed upon the page. So even if they, let's say, you go past the space allotted, the AI will, auto space it for you. So you really don't have to worry about the length. And you can even add a background image if you wish. You can generate it with AI or upload your own. Now, sadly, the generated one is locked by the Pro account. So let's try uploading our own background image. There, as you can see. Same thing with others. You can edit the text. You can make it so that you can, the slide will be a text plus an image. You can make the image horizontal or vertical. You can scale it as you want. You can zoom it in, zoom it out. Let's try uploading an image. I have a bunch of sample pics ready. There. So as you can see, you can customize it the way you want. You can change the text. You can hide this counter at the top. Let's keep it for now. You can add a slide. You can delete the slide. And you can reorder this, and the counter will automatically go with it. And when you're done, when you're satisfied with all the content, you simply have to click the download button. Now, if you have a Pro account, you can save this as a draft to go back to later. But for now, let's click download. And as you can see, we have the full PDF carousel post ready for posting. And from there, you can even, generate a caption for something to post on LinkedIn or on Instagram. So you can generate a caption from there. Give it a moment, and it generates the caption for you instantly. And once you have a pro account, you can post it directly to LinkedIn by linking your account. But that is something I can't showcase right now. We'll go back to the Pro. Now, aside from these AI carousels, there are other Pro lock features that you can use with AI carousels. You can, generate a carousel portrait. So you just have to upload a reference photo and it will create an AI image with a style specified by yourself. This is locked by the Pro. You can also make a LinkedIn post from here. You can generate an image for the LinkedIn post. You can have some AI touch-ups. Once you can have an AI image, you can attach an image if you want to the post. And you can add some, opening hooks, some custom snippets that you make to really, make posts easier to do, especially if posts are repeated for a specific type or category for your type of content. Now, a lot of these features are saved by the Pro, and I will show you, what the Pro really Pro plan really offers. Now, when you go to the quote card generator, we can also do that. There's also an infographic generator, again, locked by the Pro account, so you can make your own infographic from here. There's an ideas generator. All you really have to do is type a topic and it will post some ideas for your content, sadly locked by the Pro. And you can even make a headshot. So you just have to upload a reference photo and AI carousels will take care of the editing, making it look as professional as possible. Now, how exactly do you get the Pro plan? Now, the Pro plan can either be billed monthly or billed yearly. Now, billed yearly will be much, much cheaper for you in the long run if you plan to use AI carousels, consistently. But what the Pro plan offers is that there are no more watermarks on your post. If you can see on the post, there's a watermark there. You'll have unlimited downloads. You have an AI carousel generator and all the other bonus features I mentioned here. Now, I recommend to get the yearly plan. You can save a lot more, especially if you're a constant poster of carousel posts. Now, the good thing about AI carousels is, uh, if especially if you want to dive deeper into what they offer, they have a lot of content here in their blogs of how to use it the most effectively. If you want to read more, you just have to read more here. If you go back, they also have a guide for all their free social media tools. So you just have to click that and you get an entire tutorial on how to use them. So really, if you want to speed up your carousel making, if you're a constant poster, I really do recommend AA carousels. And if you learned a lot from the video, feel free to click our affiliate link to sign up to AI carousels today. Thank you.